Hello, boys and girls. How are you doing at home with your families? Today, we are going to start a new unit, Wild Animals. In these lessons, we will be learning about the typical animals and plants from Chile, some endangered Chilean plants and animals, and ways to protect them. During the different activities of this lesson, you are going to learn to illustrate plants and animals of the Chilean environment. Morari, isn't that exciting?
Yes, Moradani. And did you know that Chile is a very long country? We have the North Zone, the Central Zone, and the South Zone. Each zone has a great variety of different animals and plants. Have you been in the north of Chile? Have you ever seen any animals and plants there? What about the south? Have you seen plants and animals we can find there? Moradani, can we begin learning about the plants and animals from the north of Chile?
Yes, of course. The North Zone is a very dry and arid area because it rains less there. Imagine here plants and animals must resist very hot days and cold nights. Some examples of typical trees and plants we can find there are tamarugo, algarrobo, and añañuca. Have you heard about the Desierto Florido? It's beautiful. Also, all around this area, we can see animals like flamenco, chinchilla, vicuña, and alpaca. Do you know any others? Let's continue with the Central Zone. It's not so hot like the north and not so cold like the south. Here we can find plants and trees like the guillay, peumo, and palma chilena. The animals we can see here are zorro culpeo and codorniz.
Wow, Moradani, that's very interesting. I know the South Zone. It is very cold because it rains a lot and snows. Here we can find trees like Araucaria, Coihue, and Copihue plant. Also, Huemul, Ñandú, Pudú, and Magallanes penguin are amazing animals that resist low temperatures. Did you know that there are two big animals that live all over the Andes mountain range? One is the condor, a huge bird with enormous wings, and the other one is the puma, a beautiful and mysterious feline. We are so lucky to have these animals with us.